Here's what you're gonna need in preparation for stripping the tank. This is generally what I use, is aircraft remover, and you want to take the necessary precautions, starting with safety glasses, latex gloves, disposable gloves, a mask, a paint spatula, or whatever you call that, stripper or whatever, and a piece of wood, just a wedge. And when I do strip the tank, I always make sure I'm upwind. There's really no wind today, so I don't think I have to worry about that, but this paint stripper is, aircraft remover is pretty nasty stuff. You just want to be careful. Don't let any get on your skin, and definitely don't want that in the eyes or to breathing any of that. So I did my first spraying, and give you an idea of what this stuff does. Look at the gloves, how it reacted to it. It's been on there a couple of minutes now. I sprayed as much as I can, the whole tank, and once I start seeing it bubble up a little bit, I'll take my wooden stick, a wooden wedge I should say, here it is right here, and once it starts bubbling up, not really doing anything right now, but you can see it's taking up a little bit. It's gonna take a few sprayings, and but I can see it bubbling up here and there. Not really sure how the rust affects it, how the stuff affects rust, but we'll keep at it.